can here. Alright, so what's going on YouTube? Just thought I'd do a little video here in this. I just got this package. It's kind of a mail call slash unboxing type video. Really can't see who it's from there, but it says Gravity Colors. This is, which you could tell by the title of this video what it was. So I've already cut it loose on the side so I could just pop it right open. One's going to fall out right away, which is our Repsol Fluorescent Red. This was an extra that he threw in. This wasn't something that I had ordered, I don't think. What we do is, it looks like they're all lined up. Going down this one side here. I'll try to do this as neat as we can here. Alright, so that's everything in there. It's very well packaged. The service that you know to trust from Gravity. This is my first order from them actually, but I have heard nothing but great things from them. As it shows. Because I got this one is a Chevrolet Texas Ivory. I did not order that one, so those two were freebies. And then I ordered this one. I ordered is a Volkswagen Pure White. We got ordered a Ferrari Blue Scozia, however you say that. It's a blue color you can see there. And then we've got M23 McLaren Red. It's a Marlboro red color that you see on a lot of their race cars and stuff. Then we got just a fluorescent yellow. And then we got Repsol Fluorescent Orange. So this one and this one are for, and it'll be a mixture of this one as well, will be for the hippie bike. And then or actually this one goes in there as well. This blue goes in there with those as well. And then a mixture of the white again, and these colors here are for the McLaren F1 GTR that I'm going to be building. And then these two, I don't know what I'll use them on. I'll figure something out. But yeah, so that's what we got. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing, unpackaging video, so you can expect what to get if you order something from them. I don't know if you'll get but yeah, again, that's what you can expect if you order something from them. If you like this video and want to see more, you can click right over here, and that'll take you to whatever YouTube thinks you should watch next. Or you can go right here and subscribe, or maybe you could go over there and watch a video on my Model Club's channel.